It's Miss Jackie from the Marengo-Union Library, here to show you how to make a 4th of July craft. In your craft, you're going to be getting a bottle and some special liquid called glycerin and some sparkles and a ribbon. Oh, your ribbon will look a little bit different than mine because I'm going to find you a really snazzy ribbon, okay? All right, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to take some water, okay? And you can even do this over the sink. Maybe your big person can help you. And you're going to pour water in the bottle till about 3/4 the way full. Now these bottles have been washed already, but I still wouldn't drink out of them. This is really for a craft, okay? These bottles here. All right, so does anyone know what 3/4 means? It means if you divide the bottle up into 4 different even sections, you'd want to use the water for 3 of those 4 sections. Okay, so probably easiest to do this at the sink. Okay, oops, I did a little bit too much. Okay, so I'm thinking that 3/4 would be probably about up to this line in the bottle that I'm going to send home for you, okay? All right, see? So it goes right up to about there. Okay, the next thing to do is you're going to add your sparkles. Now there's a bag of sparkles, so you can do one of 2 things, okay? You can add the whole bag, or you can just add a few at a time, all right? So if I just put a few on my tray here, and I can just drop them in. See, right now they're floating, aren't they? But we add that special liquid glycerin that I mentioned. That's going to help it mix up, okay? And it's going to make almost like I wouldn't say waterfall. I'm not sure what a good word for that would be. It's basically make it a shaker bottle. All right, so like I said, you can do it 1 at a time or 2 at a time, or you can pour the whole bag in. And some ways doing it 1 at a time is really good for your writing skills, okay? As far as people have, they call fine motor skills. All right, do you see what I just did just now? I don't know if you saw that. I was able to pick it up with my finger, okay? Just picked up with my finger and then I dropped it in. Or you could do what I was just talking about, using your pinchers, make your thumb and your finger into a pincher. And you can pinch up the sparkles and you can put them in. All right, okay, so I don't know, I like lots of sparkles, so I think I'm probably going to end up by putting all the sparkles in my bottle. Oh, almost done. So I've got blue, stars, and the red star got away, and a red star. All right. Just make sure that you, whatever sparkles you don't use, you put back in the bag or throw away, because you don't want your cat or your dog, or maybe if you have a baby in your family, you don't want them to put that in their mouth. Oh, I got one more gold sprinkle. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the top on now just to show you what it looked like before I add the glycerin, okay? Okay, so they all sink to the bottom, don't they, right? But we're going to put this liquid in called glycerin. So I'm going to take the top back off, and I'm going to show you how adding glycerin is going to make a difference and how those sparkles move in your bottle. There we go. You might need a big person to help you pour this in there. Or maybe they have a funnel. There we go. This glycerin is kind of thick stuff. It's almost like, it's like a syrup, except you don't want to eat it or drink it, because this syrup isn't good for pancakes. This is more if you have a really bad, super bad tummy ache, okay? So that's not something that you should take on your own. All right. So probably can't see it. Let me bring it over here so you can see it. And you'll see that when I add the glycerin to the bottom of the bottle, can you see it kind of makes it kind of cloudy now? All right. Okay, now I'm going to shake. I'm going to put the top on as tight as I can, super tight. And then I'm going to ask a big person to also see how tight they can get the top on, really super tight, okay? And if they want to, they can maybe put some duct tape around here, or maybe they can hot glue it on there for you, okay? Because you don't want it to come off. You want it to be super tight. Okay, now we're going to shake it. All right. See how they dance around now? We've got dancing sprinkles. See? Remember before we just added the water in there and they just kind of sank to the bottom. But see now, because the glycerin's in there, they're going real slow, okay? So you can go up and down, all right? We can also go side to side, all right? Okay, so if you're really happy with that now, then it's time to put your ribbon on there. Like I said, I'm going to send you home some red, white, and blue ribbon. And you're going to tie it on there. All right. And we're going to have a festive 4th of July or Patriotic Day decoration. Let me show that to you. There we go. All right. What do you think, huh? Pretty cool, huh? Yes. We have patriotic sparkle bottles here, and you can make one too, all right? All right. I wanted to tell you a little rhyme, okay? That might be kind of fun when you're maybe waiting for a parade to start, if you find a 4th of July parade to go to this year. Yeah. Or maybe just when you're in the car. Okay, it goes like this. Flags are flying, oh so high, flying for our country, red, white, and blue, flying high, flying high. See, whoa, so pretty. All right, okay. I hope you enjoy that craft and you have a happy 4th of July. Bye, everyone.